Your front door is more than just an entryway, it's your home's first line of defense. In Gainesville, where protecting your home and family is a top priority, the way your door is installed plays a crucial role in overall security. Professional door installation ensures your entry points are not just functional and stylish but also built to withstand intrusions and everyday wear. A secure fit that blocks forced entry. A poorly fitted door can leave gaps that weaken your home's security. Even a slight misalignment can make it easier for an intruder to force the door open. Professional installers take precise measurements and use specialized techniques to ensure your door fits perfectly within its frame. This snug fit not only improves energy efficiency but also makes it far more difficult for someone to bypass the lock or break through the frame. Reinforced frames and hardware. A strong door is only as good as the frame that supports it. In professional installations, extra attention is given to reinforcing the frame with durable materials and secure fasteners. Installers also choose high-quality hinges, strike plates, and deadbolt locks, often installing longer screws that anchor deeply into the wall studs. These upgrades significantly increase resistance to forced entry and protect against tampering. Expert lock alignment and functionality. Even the best locks are useless if they aren't aligned correctly. Professional installation ensures that locks engage fully and operate smoothly without sticking or misalignment. In Gainesville's humid climate, swelling or shifting can cause DIY installed doors to warp and throw off lock positioning. Professionals know how to account for these factors during installation, ensuring the locking mechanism remains secure year-round. Integrated security features. Modern doors can incorporate built-in security features such as multi-point locking systems, reinforced cores, and shatter-resistant glass panels. A professional installer can help you select the right door for your security needs and install these features correctly so they perform as intended. They can also integrate your new door with smart security systems, including video doorbells and electronic locks, adding another layer of safety. Protection against environmental weaknesses. In Gainesville, heavy rain, heat, and humidity can degrade doors over time, creating vulnerabilities. Professional installers use weather stripping, sealants, and durable thresholds to keep moisture and pests out. By protecting the structural integrity of the door and frame, these measures prevent warping, rotting, or loosening that could otherwise make it easier for someone to gain entry. Peace of mind for homeowners. Perhaps the greatest benefit of professional door installation is the confidence it brings. Knowing your door has been installed to exacting standards means you can trust it to protect your home day and night. Professionals often provide warranties on their workmanship, giving you added assurance that your investment will continue to deliver safety and durability for years to come. Final thought. In Gainesville, professional door installation is more than a home improvement. It's a critical part of your home security strategy. From reinforced frames and precision lock alignment to weather protection and integrated smart features, the expertise of a qualified installer ensures your door will stand strong against both intruders and the elements. If you're ready to upgrade your home's safety, partnering with a skilled local installer can give you the perfect combination of protection, performance, and peace of mind.